Hello, folks and professionals. Let's break the answer for this question. So choose options, key functionality decision to choose the billing relevance in SAP ECC or S4 HANA. Okay. So let me try to answer this question. A is sales order item category. B is bill delivery document type and scheduling category, delivery document, and E is billing type, and F is sales document type, and G is none of the above. Okay. In this, the answer is sales order item category. A is the correct answer. All other remaining are the wrong answer. If you check that billing relevance, it is clearly available, either order related or so delivery related. Certain times with a different target quantity and actual quantity, like different kind of options are available. Okay, so the answer is A. All our remaining answers are wrong. I think if you like this video, okay, you can like this, and you can subscribe my channel to get more updates. Currently I'm holding 700 and plus videos, and probably I'm targeting for 1000 videos in future. Okay, so please stay tuned with my channel. So if you have missed other questions and answers, you can try to handle it. This is 20-second question. Okay, it will try to improve your IQ. And if you look at here, I'm currently holding 5,500 students, and all these are the different kind of courses available at my end. In this SD course is 108 hours. And if you'd like to get proper training, real-time idoc training, you can able to give a try and getting master to write functional like that, 22 plus courses available at my end. Okay, please find these course links below of this video in the description box. And if you really want it, you can give it a try. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining the session. Have a great day. Wish you all the best. Jai Bharat.